You're watching TVC News. The Kogi state government is set to enter into bilateral relations with China on trade and development. The many investment opportunities in Kogi state was the focus between Chinese investors and the state government at a one-day meeting held at the Chinese embassy in Abuja. Moyo Thomas reports.
Kogi state is one of the most strategic states in Nigeria, as its location places it as a gateway between the north, east and south. The governor of the state, Yahaya Bello, says the growing number of youth in the state also makes it rich in human resources. The challenge has been turning these vast resources into enduring wealth for Kogi state and Nigeria at large. In this meeting with Chinese businesses and investors, facilitated by the Chinese ambassador to Nigeria, Kogi state is proposing investment opportunities that will help build its GDP from the current $4.6 billion to $16.8 billion by 2025.
The assembly plant in Lagos, you can have it in Kogi state. If you have it in Kogi state, the other adjoining states, other 10 states, including FCT, instead of coming to Lagos, it's just by Kogi here. You have the market.
The two parties were optimistic that the relations will help Nigeria in its push for development, even as solutions were preferred on the concerns raised over high foreign exchange rates.
Going by our achievement today and successes in Kogi State in terms of infrastructure, security, agriculture, development, education and otherwise, I can only look up to those whose model are going to be very friendly, engaging and mutually beneficial to both of us.
Kogi State is one of the places to build a nuclear power plant. We are lacking power, so also we lack a lot of infrastructure there. And I had the opportunity to talk to the governor that how can we do things together. It's very, very important to build our strengths to develop this country.
The issue of the depreciation of Naira. And if we move away from dollar, denominating our transaction in dollar and have dual currency parity, what it means is that you trade in Naira, you trade in Naira and buy in yuan with the Chinese. With that, the pressure, the overtly demand for dollar will reduce.
Kogi State says it already has a legal framework that guarantees investment and ease of doing business as it boasts of robust security. Youth unemployment in Kogi State stands at about over 1 million youth. This initiative hopes to reduce this drastically by providing jobs for over 800 Kogi youth, in the process reducing poverty and crime rates. Moyo Thomas, TVC News, Abuja.